Sloan, and today I'm going to be talking about the Puppy Princess series. This is the first book. This is the second book. This is the third book. And this is the fourth. The first part is where she meets a cat, and she has a friend, and she was stuck on a tree, but then she got some cozy moss, and then she helped her got down, and they turned out to be friends. The second one is where her friend's birthday, and then she went to go visit her real family, and then came back, and then they had a great time. And then the third one, they go on stage and win a prize, and they make another cat friend. And then the fourth one, which is the last series, is the royal wedding for hamsters. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a puppy princess.
First off, we will be drawing the crown. Next, we will be drawing the head. But first off, let's draw the crown. It will be more easier and more faster. If you want to, you can draw a cake. And then next, we'll do the ears. The mouth. Make sure you color in those eyes. You don't want her eyes to be looking up. You can draw a dress if you want to, but if you don't want to draw a girl, you don't have to. You can draw a boy or something. You can color however you want to. You can also add some hamsters too if you want to. That would be so cute if you do. That's how you draw a puppy princess. Who said princesses have to be that perfect?